Guys, this should be the easiest plane in YouTube, and this should be flying more than 100 feet. 9,000 feet, because this does always the easiest plane in the whole wide world. This is definitely gonna be easy, and we are gonna teach you how to make it. Now, first we need an A4 sheet of paper. Then fold it to half. That should be the easiest. Break half like this. 2 lines at the line. Go backwards like this, and do it like this. Do it like this. The bottom, it should be here, straight line down there, and it should be against this line again. Then another way like this. That should be the easiest. And fold it back, fold it forwards. You gotta fix this because this is, you see the difference? Between you, cut it the straight line. Make this easy to cover so it can do what it works to do. Fold this part down, second part down, hook, here, cut. Yep, just cut all the way from that straight line. Straight line, buddy. Now, we open this sheet, A4 sheet of paper. Look, the straight line in here. Not finished, go like this. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. And cut it like this. Open, it should be like this. The easiest it should be doing like this. See you later at YouTube challenge.